Hey guys, what's up? So, as you can see, this beautiful badass right here is a gaming PC. And, I have a challenge. So, the CPU in the system has been used, but while building it live on stream, I have been told that you guys don't care, you just want free stuff. So here's the plan. I can't just straight up give away this PC. You know, it's expensive. I can't afford that. But I can issue a challenge in which, if we complete this task, I will give away this PC. Here's the plan. If we hit 2,000 subscribers in 2 weeks, that is 14 days. If we hit 2,000 subscribers in 2 weeks, I will give away this gaming PC. If we hit more than that, I will give away more stuff. I don't know exactly what I would give away, but if we hit 2,000 subscribers in the next 2 weeks, I will give this away. If not, it will remain to be like a 5,000 subscriber giveaway, which, who wants to wait that long? Let's get 2,000 in 2 weeks. So tell your friends, tell your uncles, tell your cousins, tell your waffles, tell your sons and dogs to subscribe. Like the video. Comment below for an entry if the giveaway happens, if we hit this 2,000 subs, and just marvel in the glory that is the 7700K RX 580 gaming PC. Very beautiful. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, this is international, so do not ask that in the comments. And also, I don't care why you think you should win. It is a random giveaway, and the winner will be completely random. There will be no begging and all that stuff. You can beg to me, you can tell me your situation, your waffle maker could have exploded. I don't care. Just type something in the comments to enter the giveaway, and let's get 2,000 subscribers in 2 weeks so I can give this thing away. I love you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.